Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now, we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome. Thank you.
Let's start from the top. Clue, tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a mountain, a maunga.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's an awa, a river.
And our third clue, clue tuatoru, right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's land or whenua. We have 3 clues, all of them. We have a maunga, a mountain. We have an awa, a river. And we have whenua, land.
Oh, I know what song we're going to sing. We're going to sing our Matariki waiata, Waitī. Shine brightly.
Waitī, Shine Brightly is a beautiful song. What we've decided to do for the song is we've got a scarf, some scarf actions, and we've got some mahiaringa, some actions that you can do along with us. So you can choose which one you want to do.
Alright, should we have a sing along together? Okay, I'm going to count to toru and then I'll click my fingers and we'll go sing together. Tahi, rua, toru.
The awa flows from the maunga, down, down, down. It channels its way through the whenua, round, round, round. Some move fast, some move slow. He taonga tuku iho, watch it flow, flow, flow. Waitī, shine brightly over our awa. Waitī, shine brightly. Let's keep our fresh waters clean. He wai Māori. The awa flows from the maunga, down, down, down. It channels its way through the whenua, round, round, round. Some move fast, some move slow. Te taonga tuku iho, watch it flow, flow, flow. Waitī, shine brightly over our awa. Waitī, shine brightly. Let's keep our fresh waters clean. He wai Māori. Let's keep our fresh waters clean. He wai Māori.
That was so much fun. I love doing all those different actions and I love singing about the Matariki style Waitī.
Which action was your favourite?
Oh, that's a good one. I like that one.
Nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 words that we learnt at the beginning. Here's the first one. It starts with the sound M, Mo, Maunga, mountain.
Our second word starts with the letter A, Awa, Whenua, river.
And our third word starts with the sound Fair, whenua, land. Well, we hope you enjoyed singing about the beautiful Matariki star Waitī. How about we go and do our goodbye song together?
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hi Waitī.
Hi Waitā.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below.
So that you can watch my mom and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes. Oh, I'm falling down to earth.